Forecast.
Good Monday evening. There's the view from the Charlottesville-Albemarle Regional Airport. Another toasty day out there. Most of us making it into the low 90s. Not oppressively humid, but certainly another toasty day and not much of any rain, although there were an isolated shower or two across Fluvanna and Louisa. Let's take a look at our picture of the day. Compliments of Jim Carpenter. Nice buck and some fawns grazing there on the grass out near Woodlands Road in Albemarle County today. Currently at the airport, we're 92. It's 89 in Madison, 90 currently in Palmyra, 88 in Louisa. We've got 88 in Waynesboro and 91 currently in Harrisonburg. A review of the satellite radar of the last several hours. Much of the region has been quiet. We had a few little showers that worked through portions of western Fluvanna and also across portions of Louisa. Those since moved away, and things are going to be quiet here for tonight. We'll settle back in the lower 70s, mostly clear. Some patchy fog is possible. Temperatures tomorrow heat back up in the low 90s, and really after tomorrow we'll chase these away for the foreseeable future, at least as we move through the rest of this week and into the weekend. So the temperature trend after tomorrow is on the way down. Could still see a stray storm tomorrow, shower storm on Wednesday. Our better chance of rain is at the end of the week, along with the cloud cover and the rain. And yes, this is a combination of a front and a tropical storm Debby will keep those temperatures on the low side. But the next big thing is the rainfall potential. And of course, this is subject to change. But right now on a Monday, looking at the European model, this is a widespread rain of maybe 2 to 4+ inches across the region. This could shift farther east, shift a little farther west, depending the track of what will be the remnant low of Debby. The American GFS model is still showing some widespread soaking rainfall, but lesser amounts, maybe on the order of 2 to 4. And that's what we'll be watching. We have a front off to our north, some severe weather across the northeast into New England. This front by Wednesday will be across the mid-Atlantic, and at the same time, slow-moving tropical storm Debby. This was a hurricane, made landfall along the Big Bend area of Florida earlier this morning, and now you can see the active weather that's ongoing. We're talking about some catastrophic flooding over the next several days because of the slow movement, and while it's weakened a bit, it's going to move back over the open waters of the Atlantic before it makes another landfall in South Carolina. Of course, on that eastern and northeastern center of the circulation, that's where you have the severe weather, quick spin up tornadoes, and hence that tornado watch box. So again, by later tomorrow into Wednesday, it's back out over the water, strengthening by Thursday, still a tropical storm, then should accelerate a little bit more as it moves up to North Carolina and into eastern Virginia. In the short term, we're quiet. In the morning, we'll start in the muggy 70s. Temperatures tomorrow afternoon in the low 90s. There may be a stray storm, most of us dry. And then as we move into Wednesday morning, we'll start on the muggy side. Temperatures should hold in the 80s. More cloud cover will start to build in. And then as we get into Thursday and certainly Friday, more widespread rain anticipated across the region, that in association with Debby. Temperatures tonight in the lower 70s, mostly clear, some patchy fog. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Temperatures do back down here by the end of the week, but potentially some beneficial rain here Thursday and Friday. Just don't want it too quickly, but we could certainly have some localized flooding issues.
All right, Eric, thank you.
And we'll be right back.